Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change password on your Google Play Store. So without further ado, let's begin. So now to change your Google Play Store password is actually changing your Google account password. So now to do that, just tap on your profile page and go to your Google account. Now you can see right here your Google account. Just tap on Security. From Security page, just scroll down and then you can see Password. Just tap on Password. So to change your password, we need first to verify that it was you that is using the account. To verify your account, you need to sign in again to your account. Just enter your password. If you don't remember your password, just tap on Forgot Password. After that, you just need to tap on Next and then create your new password. And that's it! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.